Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, and this is the final part of how to create an iOS-like calendar. So if I run our app right now, this is what we come up with, and in this final part what I'm going to be showing you guys is I'm going to be showing you guys how we can make it look like this calendar. So it's not going to look exactly like this, since we do need to do a bit of refining. But the basic idea is it's going to have this bit at the top, and this calendar part is going to look like this. It won't have this bit at the bottom since this is a tab view, and you can implement those yourself. So yeah, they're not very important. They don't really count towards the actual calendar. So what I'll do is first I'll set up our FSCalendar, and I think I'll keep this bit at the top just because I kind of like how this looks. But what I want to remove is this red icon here, this red indicating it's the current day. So to do that, FSCalendar is quite cool because it has this thing where you can actually edit everything from the actual storyboard. So what we need to do is we just need to change one of these, and I think it's which one is it? I think it's today color. And what I can do is I'm just going to set this as clear so we don't actually see it, and then I think we'll also have to change today's text because otherwise it'll just become invisible, I think. Yeah, so we need to change that as well. And today's text color, where is that? Title default color, I think it's title today color. I'll just set this as label. And yep, I think that fixes it. So okay, so now you can just, and if your app has a specific color theme, so let's say an app we were building has a color theme of like green, then you can just change this color to I'll just make it lime. But yeah, it's just a lime sort of color. Actually, that's a really bad color. I'll make it a proper green. Okay, we'll just choose the system green. And yeah, so what just happened? Okay. Let me just make this default again. That's not what we wanted. We wanted selection color. There we go. This is what you should change. So if I do that, I think. Alright, so now you can have your sort of green app theme, and you can also change these things at the top. These are all in the these colors, and also I think it's you can change the font, and you can also change the subtitles, and I think these are the subtitles. So if we use very short, I'm going to turn that on, and now it's very short. Alright, so now we can actually start work on our QVRWeekView, which is why I have the GitHub here, because it shows you all of the customizable properties and what you can change about them. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger so we can actually see the full table. Okay, so yeah, and I've already I just tried this before, so I know what to change to make it look nice. But if you want to change anything else, then all of the sort of parameters or variables are right here. So first things we need to change are the main background color, and to do that we can do main background color. That was not what I wanted. Main background color, and I'm just going to set this as UI_color.white. Now the next thing we need to change is the today view color. Weekview.today view color equals, I'll just make this white again, .white. And now what we're going to do is visible days in portrait mode, and this is what I was talking about in the previous episode, in portrait mode, and we can make this 1. So if I run this now, before it was showing us 1 day, 2 days, now it's only showing us 1, which is starting to look quite nice. And we have a few more to add. So we need to get rid of the top bar. You can keep it if you want, but I don't really want it. So to do that, all we need to do is set weekview.default top bar height to 0, and we can also change the background color of that. So default day view color, that's like the color of the actual day you're on, we're going to make all of these white, UIColor.white. So you'll notice that most of the stuff we just set into white to make it look a lot more clean. WeekView.pastDayColor, these are like the same sort of things but just on different days. WeekView.weekendDayViewColor. So these are just like all of the sort of background colors of the week view. And WeekView.weekend weekend day view color, again white because that's just clean. And last one, we want to get rid of the dash separators, so these dash lines in the middle, and to get rid of them we can just set them to white like the background color. So it's day view and then dash separator color equals UI color dot white. Alright, now we can look at the progress we made so far, and yeah, that's actually looking quite nice. So you can just leave it at this if you want, and sometimes the day view colors do come in, but that is just a glitch. So we can change the sort of what's the word? We can like make it so that this is more having more padding. Yeah, padding's the word. And I'm also going to change the sidebar width, which is going to give us padding, I think. Sidebar width equals 40, and if I run that again, yep, that's giving us our padding. So yeah, now if you have your color theme, then you can change this, and this is called the day view indicator color, day view hour indicator color, week view dot day view indicator color equals, and then we can just set this to UI color dot green because that was what the color we agreed before. And there we go, there it is, and it's just a small glitch, I think. So you see, it's got the dash, and this is just a small glitch. If you edit it at all, then it just refreshes and fixes this issue. So yeah, you might notice that the one thing we're missing is when we change here, the labels, they actually move, and that doesn't actually happen on this. So that's the one thing that we're actually missing. But apart from that, then it's actually quite like similar. And yeah, so you can also change the thickness of that and things like that, the minute details, but those things don't really matter. So just look at these parameters, and you can change it to whatever you want, depending on your app. But this is a basic idea of how you create an iOS like calendar in Swift. You can also add a line here just to make it even more separable. So what app's that? And you can also add a label here showing the date, but we're not going to do that for now. This was just to show you guys how to link both of these up, and you'll see it is moving, it's just really hard to see. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!